projection. So saying hypothetically you will make £1 million or dollars is not within the constructs of, it's not that it's impossible, don't get me wrong at all. But what if on you've projected to make $1 million or £1 million over 1 year, and within that 1 year constructs, what happens is January or April or whatever time frame, you do take that $1 million and you've divided it by, let's say, 10 months. So you say, okay, within each of those 10 months, I'm going to generate 100,000 each month. Now you've tried to generate the 100,000 each month, but 1 month you make £1,000 or you make nothing. What do? Do you actually move that 100,000 projection to 200,000 and push from a seasonal standpoint?